This is a seatbelt mounting plate. So if you undo this nut here, you move this pipe out the way. Same with this one here. Slide your seatbelt mounting plate into place. It's cut to size, so it pretty much fits in there snug. When you've got it in there, drill through the holes that are already pre-drilled through the firewall. Once you've got that done, place a nut on this side and put a bolt through, tighten it up, and you want to weld both nuts onto the back of this seatbelt mounting plate. Same with these two 10mm nuts here. This for the seatbelt reel, and this is for the top of the seatbelt, the pivot point. For your fuel pipe, you can use the standard one. You will have to cut the bracket off, turn it upside down. 9 times out of 10, the old hoses break. When replacing it, you will need a fireproof hose. You can't just put any old hose on there. It has to be fireproof hose. So you can replace that hose. The breather tube, all standard. Just run it along the top. It has to be on the top, otherwise it won't breathe out. And you'll constantly get the petrol filler clicking on you all the time if you don't have that right. Bring it up here, and you want to either get a 45 bend or a 90 bend, whichever's going to work best depending on where you've cut it. You can weld it onto there, or you can get a tube. The top section.